Hello, Botswana and the world. My name is Ludo Ishmael. I'm an extraordinary young lady of substance and I'm 20 years old. I'm here to audition for acting because it has always been my passion and it is where my heart and soul basically is. I am a very strong woman and my determination is to reach my ambition even if I have to conquer odds beyond hope. I'm a very giving person because I believe you make a life by what you make a living by what you receive and a life by what you give. Basically, I live by the principle that ambition without knowledge is like a boat on a dry land because, well, I'm the most ambitious person you know and will ever know. Okay, the next act that I'm gonna perform, it's about a girl who just found out that her boyfriend of 5 years has got another girl pregnant, and that other girl is actually her best friend. Okay, so here it goes. Hold up. What did you just say to me? You wanna tell me that she got my best friend TT pregnant? Alan, are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? Have you lost it? You got her pregnant. Of all the women in the world, you had to choose my best friend? Wait. Something has got to be wrong with you. Don't you know how to put your stuff in your pants? What the hell is wrong with you? After everything that I have done for you, Alan, I have given you my life. I have sacrificed my entire damn career for you. I have given you everything, yet I have never asked you for anything, and this is the thanks that I get. I sacrificed my entire family, my entire career for crying out loud, and this is how you repay me? Someone's gotta give. What the hell is wrong with you? You sorry? Seriously? You wanna tell me that you're sorry? What is that gonna do? It does not fix anything. It does not justify the fact that she made her pregnant. What the hell are you talking about? It's my fault. Huh? What have I done, Alan? Tell me. What have I done? I have been nothing but a good girlfriend to you. I have been loyal to you from day one. And this is how you do me? What? Oh, wait. No. There has got to be something wrong with you. So what now? What am I supposed to do now? Forgive you just like that? You expect to snap your fingers and suddenly everything is okay? It is not really funny. But you know what the funny thing is? I gave you life. I made you the fake celebrity that you are right now. I did everything I could possibly do for you. And now you want to do this to me? You want to go and do this to me? I have done nothing wrong, Alan. I have done nothing wrong. All I have done is be stupid enough to fall in love with your sorry excuse of a man. You know what? I'm not gonna break down and cry. That's not me. You see, I'm a strong woman. I built you. I made you. And you know what? I can take it all away. Speaking of that, I'm gonna take it all away. I'm gonna make you wish that you were never born. Even my fake best friend Titi, I'm gonna make sure that she is left with nothing, both of you. I'm gonna make sure that, you know what, your world is gonna crash, Alan, I'm telling you. It's gonna crash to your knees. I swear on my grandmother's grave, I'm gonna destroy you. You know what, you need to leave. Bounce, dude, you need to leave. I said go. Oh, you don't want to go? Fine, I'll go. But mark my words. Listen to me, Alan, and listen carefully, because, dude, I'm only going to say this once. Are you listening? Okay. Now this is it. I, Ludo Ishmael, the strongest woman you will ever know, I am gonna go out there and I'm gonna build a life for myself. I am gonna find a man who is gonna love me, and I am gonna find I'm gonna find a true best friend, not that thing called Titi. Okay? Deuces.